Changing the email link to your Facebook account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Log into Facebook. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Go to Contact Information. In the Settings menu, look for the General tab on the left side. Click on it, and you will see your current email address listed under Contact. Step 4. Add a new email. Click on Edit next to your email address. Then select Add another email or mobile number. Enter your new email address and click Add. Step 5. Confirm the new email. Facebook will send a confirmation email to your new email address. Go to your email inbox, find the email from Facebook, and click on the confirmation link to verify your new email. Once you've completed these steps, your Facebook account will be linked to your new email address. If you have any further questions, feel free to reach out for help.